Ben from X's Garage again, and this is Ride of the Week. Yeah, well, here we got Tim's XL 63 wagon, and as you can see, he's even changed out the motor to a 250 crossflow with a couple of personal touches in here, including custom battery rack and a nice little cover over the top of his exhaust manifold. So even inside, Tim's done a really magic job in here. He's pretty much done all the interior himself, his own stereo install, pretty much made our job look easy as, because all we had to do was come through and put an AccuAir touchpad in here and it pretty well sets it all off. So something else that's pretty rad on Tim's car, he's actually incorporated all these little custom touches, like little knuckle buster lever handles, etc. Now on this air ride system, we basically went with a Ridetech 30 positioning dampening ShockWave in the front, sleeve bags in the rear, a 10mm custom leaf pack in the rear also as a locator, and with the air management system, we went with an AccuAir self-leveling management system with a 400 Viair dual pack with a 5-gallon air tank.